My mission every day is to give every stroke patient the best possible outcome that he or she can have. Stroke does not discriminate. It can happen to anyone at any time, and that's the emergency part of it, is that you may not get any warning at all. The paramedics that arrive on the scene, they're part of our team. They start the treatment before you ever leave home, and that allows our team to assemble in the emergency department and meet you at the door, get rapid assessments and rapid treatment. We have a stroke camp every year for stroke survivors and caregivers, and meeting those people and seeing where they are 2 years, 4 years, 10 years out from their stroke is very inspirational. We stay in touch with these patients. We want to hear their stories because we can relay those back to the care team, and that's the inspiration that keeps us going.